Okay, so this is problem 3 of section 2 of chapter 2. Yeah, so it says use a proportion to solve direct variation. And you know that direct variation is y equals k times x. Sorry, that's a sloppy y there. If you solve this equation for k, then you would divide each side by x. So the x cancels out on the right hand side, so you got k equals y over x. So that's another way that you could write this equation. Wow, my writing is like horrible right now. So it says suppose y varies directly with x. So y equals 15 and x equals 3. So you remember that the direct proportion is y over x. So what we can do is take this 15 and write a ratio and put that on the top, and then take this 3 and write it underneath. Now, if we know that it's direct variation, then we know that it's always the ratio of y over x is always going to be the same number. So we can say make it equal to when we know the number of one of the other values, like 12, and we can put the 12 down here. So now we got this ratio of 15 over 3 equals y over 12. Now if we solve this proportion, 15 divided by 3 equals 5. And then we got y over 12. And remember, to get rid of y over 12, we need to multiply both sides by 12. So 12 times 5 equals 60. So we got 60 equals y. And then it also wants us to find when x equals 12, the value of y is, okay, so that's what we just found. So the value of y is 60. So hopefully that makes sense. So basically, if they give you a y and an x, you can set up that ratio. And then if you're trying to find the value of something else, then you can set up that ratio and then just solve for the missing variable, like y or x or whatever. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Write down some notes, and then I'll see you in the next video.